How to dropship items from Alibaba to Shopify. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can sell products directly from Alibaba on your Shopify store. First of all, open your web browser. Search here shopify.com. Log in to your Shopify account. Now click on the Add Apps option in the Apps section from the middle left. Click on Shopify App Store. Search for Alibaba in the search bar. Choose the official Alibaba Dropship app. Install this app. After installing, you can do dropshipping from Shopify to Alibaba. Click on Install App again. Now sign in to your account and you can start dropshipping. As you can see, Alibaba is one of the sales channels now. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.